Hey guys, welcome to our Swing Umbrella series. Now in the Swing Umbrella series, I'm going to be trying to unlock for you guys the basics and fundamentals of a lot of our general swing dances. The rock steps are similar, the triple steps are similar. If you're new to the channel, please leave a like, subscribe, and share if you find any of this helpful. Okay.
Hey guys, just wanted to let you know that we're going to be starting off with the tap step, we're going into a rock step, and then into our triple step rhythms. The emphasis of the tap step is to just get the beat, so stepping on an odd beat and then tapping on an even beat. We're going to take that all the way around town, from center to forward and then back. From here, we're going to start off with a rock step. Now, the rock step is just generally to get the feeling and flavor of the different directions you can go with this type of step. This doesn't necessarily mean that you need to rock as crazily as I am right now, or even dab as hard as I'm doing right now. But the idea is to just get the emphasis on the rock and bounce action, okay? Lastly, we have our triple step rhythm. Our triple step rhythm can go in center, to the side, and then forward and back.
Okie dokie. So for today, we went over a couple of different very general basic steps. We went over our tap step, we went over our rock step in multiple different directions, and we went through our triple step in place, forward and back. Okay, and these are just kind of what are going to make up our Lindy basic. And from there, we're going to have a general sense of how the rock steps were taken in these early styles of swing. Okay, so if you found anything helpful for today, please leave a like, share, and comment. My name is Alonzo. I'm out.